Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe or if there's an ancient satellite, allegedly of alien origin, watching over us? Let's embark on a journey through time and space as we unravel the enigma of the Black Knight satellite. From its supposed beginnings in the radio experiments of Nikola Tesla to the most recent speculations, this object has been the ignition spark of countless conspiracy theories. Let's peel back the layers of mystery surrounding this celestial body. Let's delve deeper into the enigmatic entity known as the Black Knight satellite. The story of the Black Knight begins with the radio experiments conducted by Nikola Tesla in 1899. Tesla, a man ahead of his time, reported strange rhythmic sounds on his radio receiver, which he believed were signals from another world. This marked the first recorded interaction with what some believe to be the Black Knight satellite. Fast forward to 1928, scientists detected long-delayed echoes, mysterious radio signals that echoed back minutes after transmission. These echoes, some argue, were the Black Knight responding. Now let's dive into the ancient origins myth. Some believe that the Black Knight is not just a spacecraft, but an alien monitoring system, thousands of years old. They claim it's been watching us, recording our history from a polar orbit, an orbit that even today is technologically challenging for us to achieve. These claims, while fascinating, are often dismissed by mainstream scientists as misinterpretations and unrelated stories stitched together to create a captivating narrative. But what if the Black Knight satellite isn't an ancient extraterrestrial device, but a product of the Cold War era? The Black Knight's polar orbit is a significant anomaly that separates it from typical man-made satellites. This unusual path orbiting the Earth from pole to pole is not a common choice for our satellites. You see, they usually fly in a west to east direction, a trajectory known as a prograde orbit. This polar orbit of the Black Knight is what sets tongues wagging, adding an extra layer of mystery to the already enigmatic object. Now let's delve into the alien signals that some claim to have picked up from the Black Knight. These signals are often linked back to the late 19th century, when the brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla reported receiving extraterrestrial signals. Fast forward to the mid-20th century and we have tales of long-delayed radio echoes which some speculate could be transmissions from the Black Knight. There's also the story of astronaut Gordon Cooper, who allegedly saw the Black Knight during his 1963 space mission. While these signals are intriguing, no concrete evidence has been found to support these claims. Declassified documents have further stirred the pot, hinting at the possibility of the Black Knight being more than just space debris. A veritable Pandora's box, these documents have added a new layer of intrigue to the narrative of the Black Knight. They suggest a history of covert operations, a clandestine dance between governments and the unknown, with the Black Knight at the center. However, the counter-argument is that the Black Knight is merely space debris, an artifact of our early ventures into the cosmos, a remnant from a time when we just began to reach for the stars. It's a plausible explanation considering the number of satellites, both operational and defunct, that litter our orbit. To understand the Black Knight's place in history, let's take a brief stroll through the timeline of space exploration. It all began in the late 19th century with Nikola Tesla's radio experiments. Fast forward to 1954, when UFO researcher Donald Keyhoe claimed the US Air Force had detected 2 satellites orbiting Earth. The story took another twist in 1960, when the US Navy mistook a dark object for a Soviet spy satellite, only to discover it was the remains of a US satellite. And then in the midst of the space race, astronaut Gordon Cooper reported a UFO sighting in 1963. This event, however, lacks corroborating evidence. The most recent chapter unfolded in 1998, when a photo taken during the STS-88 mission was claimed to depict the Black Knight. Yet this is likely a snapshot of space debris. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the mystery of the Black Knight satellite remains an enigma, a symbol of our quest for understanding the universe